What is going on, guys? So in today's video we're going to make a little drift video. It probably won't be very long because, like I've stated, I do have my CDL, so I have to be cautious because that is my career. Also, I just wanted to talk to you guys. The channel is going to go in another direction, not the direction that I thought it was going to go, but I'm kind of interested in something else, and it's drag racing. So if you see where I live, we have nothing but straight roads around here, so drag racing is actually pretty ideal. I like drifting, but it's really hard to find drifting spots. And at the moment where I'm at right now, I can't really afford the tires to do it. So I'm gonna be looking for a Honda Civic. We're gonna do like a B16 build, something like Boosted Boys, where it's like all eBay. You got 600 horsepower out of a fucking car. But I'll be doing a lot of street racing. Like street drags, tests, everything like that, like Street Outlaws pretty much, but yeah, racer version. So that is gonna be the goal. Also, a little new thing that I did to my car, which I don't plan on getting rid of the car, but I did this little headlight tint. It doesn't look great. That was my first time trying to do it. Other side is not done yet, but that is gonna be one of the plans this weekend. Maybe I'll put it in the video, maybe I won't, I don't know. But I kind of want to get the side marker done too, but I don't know, it looks pretty sweet, I think. But yeah, so heading uptown right now. Hopefully it's wet. Like I said, these are brand new tires, and camber wear and everything, they're shot already, so I'm just trying to do on wet pavement, and it is definitely supposed to rain all day today. So yeah, I'm gonna just try to get a little bit of footage in there. Well, so much for drifting all day. Brand new tire flat. Leaking somewhere. So I gotta get it up on the on the ramps before it gets too low.